cheerful robin, the harbinger of spring and joyful songbird.
Explore the robin's diverse habitats, from gardens to forests. Marvel at the robin's vibrant beauty, nature's enchanting masterpiece. Discover the robin's seasonal diet, nature's adaptable gourmet. Listen to the robin's song, a symphony of nature's joy. Witness the miracle of life unfold in a robin's nesting season. See how robins maintain ecosystem balance through natural caretaking. Robins embody resilience amid urban threats, nature's adaptable survivor. Celebrate the robin, nature's symbol of joy and cultural legacy.